Physically, prepping for state, we try to by sections be in our best possible shape, and we are running it double run-throughs, so one seems easy.
So here's a question I have for you guys up there. Cinnabon, the middle people like Harley and Mariah, they are never, you know how we step out, I think it's on 3-4 or whatever? They never have time to even do that, so they're just out.
I think it's fine if Harley and Mariah are, because they're the last thing to whip out of it.
I notice I draw to it every time.
I don't.
Can we watch the Cinnabon once and just try that? It's getting better. Because I go back and forth, do we just not even want to step apart and just do something where we go, let her go, you know? But I like the part going back together. I don't know.
That does not bother me. It really doesn't bother me.
Okay, good.
It bothers me more if the rest of the line is not together.
Let her go.
Almost like we wish we could go like, let her go. Da-da-da-da-da, and like doing a hook, so we're not like.
I know it seems like that's how I feel like the faces are getting scrunchy.
Yeah. So I think she needs to just, it'll just happen there.
All right, grab your water and come up here. We're going to have a chat.
Grace.
All right. When you guys were looking at scores, have you been looking at scores? Where do we compare to the strong section on? So all I'm saying is if you want to be top 6, you've got to just push. And you've got to, there's too many come and go faces, so that's one of our goals. The other thing is just nailing stuff, like every time, and really being coachable. Like taking everything we tell you and fixing it. Some people, who were you saying you told something to the other day and she fixed it the next time too?
Aubrey Metz.
Aubrey Metz. And then there's some people we tell it to 100 times, you know? And I understand it takes sometimes people longer to get stuff, you know, but
if it's a little detail thing, I feel like that's where I don't want to keep telling you the same little detail thing over
sometimes
and over.
we give up. And we don't want to give up on stuff, right? You don't want us to give up on you, do you? Okay, so we're gonna keep harping. All right.
But we were thinking about when we're going into the kick line, we kind of look like we're getting squished.
Like I feel like we look like this, face-wise.
Like the
Which I
Cinnabon?
think we're feeling because you're on let her go. Like you're nervous to get punched in the face, but we look like we're nervous to get punched in the face.
Isn't it weird though how your face can tell all? You know, so you are feeling nervous that you're gonna get
Just keep the eyes open. If somebody cuts your eyeball, just deal with it.
And you guys, we said this to Jazz today, but you're gonna get harped on more in those next 2 weeks than you did the first 2 weeks.
Well,
so be
that
ready
one's
for
okay.
It. Be ready
I feel
for
like
it.
that one's trying to do that.
Fine.
Where people do this.
Yeah,
And
we
it's
don't
a
want
creepy
that.
looking face, I don't like it.
Come up, go home tonight and look in your mirror and go, oh, this is my best face, you know?
This is it.
This is it right here. This is what I'm going for, you know? So just think about how you'll feel at state if you're so much more in shape.
Remember at sections you
walking
were
on
feeling
that
pretty good because we
target
had done this
floor.
a lot?
You're walking on that target floor. We normally face this way, correct? And we come out from over there. So more faces, the whole time. Both you guys could work on that. Yeah, the whole time. That's what I'm goaling for you. Okay. Yes, we got this. Here we go.
I'm 100 and I'm getting it. Como lomo, luxury. I'm when I drop in this. When I turn up, you know I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. Yes, I'm on my. I'm so. Yes, I am so. I'm on my.
Timing, good faces. Good. Faces, good job. Good faces.
oh my.
Really good job. Thank you for taking that extra time to get it.